Greeting PYE parents and welcome to PYE's Remote Learning After School program. On this online remote learning program, students will be doing their homework so that they can pass their classes and learn something. And the second thing they will be doing is enrichment classes so that they can learn more and increase their knowledge and get better at studying. Students will be monitored by teachers, math teacher, English teacher, and a general subject teacher. They will be checking their homework and making sure that they finish everything. On top of that, we will be using websites in order to allow the students to increase their knowledge in writing, vocabulary, math, grammar, and several different subjects. One of the programs we'll be using is goodtoknow.com. On goodtoknow.com, we can see several different things here. The first thing is what date it is, September 5th, as it says over here, and the special day that it is, National Cheese Pizza Day, or National Be Late for Something Day. Over here we can see this day in history. Whole territory of Estonia is occupied by Nazi Germany, so the students can learn something new about history every day. Under here we have student-written articles. A student goes to another web page and reads an article such as, "A closer look at lion evolution offers hope for saving the big cats." They read the entire article, and after that, they go back to Good to Know, and they write a summary about it. As you can see here, many of our students have been doing this for quite a few years. Also on goodtoknow.com, we have our essay writing and short answer response writing. So this is the introduction paragraph. This is the body 1 paragraph, body 2 paragraph, and the conclusion paragraph. With this, students also receive edits from their editor. So for example, the student wrote, "The goat and the fox are different and similar for many reasons." Edited for spelling and tense. So as we can see over here, in the beginning at the top, the goat and the fox were different and similar for many reasons. Over here again, at the bottom, the goat and the fox are different. We are using the present tense. And similar for many reasons. We can see that every sentence has been edited. Comments such as nice and good are also included. And at the end, the editor reassembles the paragraphs into a proper essay so that the students can learn from their mistakes. The second program we have is called vocabbrain.com. Vocabbrain.com is a vocabulary learning program where students are able to learn vocabulary so that they can read books, understand books, and increase their knowledge. How do we do this? We have games. So for example, one of the games are flashcard game. Illicit means unlawful. Epilogue means the writing after a story ends that is somehow related. Carnival, a festive occasion. Generate means to bring into being, give rise to, and so on and so forth. We can return to the previous page to play another game. Another game would be a matching game. In this matching game, we can see that there's a sentence with a blank. You drag one of the words over here into the blank space or the box. His protesting at City Hall was blank behavior. Bellicose, adhesive, amoral, epilogue, carnival, loquacious, generate, illicit, factual. As we can see, illicit is the word that means illegal. And to protest at City Hall without having a permit is illegal. So you would drag the word into the box. After finishing that for every single word, the student would click submit. And 1 out of 10 was correct, because I got the first one right. As we continue making this program, we will include other games, such as 10-word jumbler. What is uikualawas? Loquacious. There is no C there. Oh, there is a C there.